And I'm very happy with the honesty of Kenzo, because the money we gave him, he used it.
No bamuyita His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni omulabisa nkugambe kyakoze Eddy Kenzo olunaku olwaleero alifa kirojja bulijjo mukimanyi nti no Eddy Kenzo Mbegga mu music industry ogenda kubeera nga obinyonyoka olunaku olwaleero mweno video naye nga tetunagendayo video eno mbadde nsaba osooka ogimpereka like ebeerengeso otambule tukirewo bonna abandiyagadde okumanya kweno information naddala banankyukakyuka aba ttiimu Eddy Kenzo musembere waneno His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi vayo n'abagamba no, it is just a matter of time the truth will come out ndowooza kati tutandise okubeera nga tulaba amazima olunaku olwaleero nga bwe nkugambye His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni avuddeyo n'akikakasa n'agamba nti no Eddy Kenzo taata we y'omu ku balwanyi abayambako NRM okubeera nga efuna oba okuwamba obuyinza mu 1986. Eddy Kenzo kigambibwa okubeera nga mbu taata we yali w'amaanyi nnyo era yayambira ddala His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. No video njagala ogiwulize n'obwegendereza wano wennyini wetandise okutya His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi oba bino ebintu yabitegeera batya oba intelligence ye yabimugamba batya ebyaddala nange simanyi. Sokola bino video eri very emotional eri very sensitive ate eri very informative. Njagala ogiwa obudde gwetana subscribing weegate ku mukutu gwaffe kuno wano wokka osanga latest updates ku buli kimu ekituukawo mu ggwanga lyaffe Uganda. Sokola ya Museveni ng'abyogerako tumanyi tweyongereyo.
And I'm very happy with the honesty of Kenzo, because the money we gave him, he used it. Kenzo is the son of a soldier. He's the son of Chef Ali. Did you tell them your father, or you are hiding it? He told me he's the son of Chef Ali. Where are the other children of Chef Ali? And he even resembles. Don't you see they even look a bit alike? They resemble. So I'm very happy. I congratulate all of you. Kati kino kyemuliko eyo ndozo kuno kubaloza. Kenzo has told you that we have already given them the money to open zonal circles. That's what you said. But after the elections, we are going to do much more to really support you, because it's not such a big problem. Because even if we said 20 billion or even 30 one time, because
last 3-4 days, she hasn't slept. She hasn't slept yet until now. She left here 3 in the night, and then she came back here 8 in the morning. Please, she had to make sure that tent sound wedi, invitation zigenda. Ate mu mujjukire kye yakola mu parliament era okutubeerera mwongere ngaliza amaanyi bantu. We thank you so much, Honorable Fiona Nyamtoro. Thank you so much. I was thanking Honorable Fiona Nyamtoro because she hasn't slept for the last 3 to 4 days. She left here 3 in the night and she came back here 8 in the morning to make sure that we can have this beauty you can see, Your Excellency. Thank you so much, Honorable Fiona. We thank you so much. Not because you're my wife, but what you're doing for the music industry. We thank you so much. You know, we want to thank Mama Nankabirwa. Mama, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I want to thank Ambassador Ochwet. Thank you so much for always welcoming me, guiding me. Muzei, I have very, very good people. I want to thank General Salim Sali once again when you seated there, Your Excellency. And I think He was represented by my brother Alexander.
Alright, nga tubitadde ku mabbali nkugambye ebyabyebekulu byo byongeredde okubeera nga byabika olunaku olwaleero. His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni zabadde ssaawa nga 6 awo ng'ali ku Commonwealth Restaurant oba gamba hotelu ey'omugagga amanyikiddwa nga Sudiru. Avuddeyo n'amutegeeza n'amugamba nti nno bannange gwe nakuwa mirimu naye gy'asobola okubeera nga ajje kulema ate y'omukulu amanyikiddwa nga Eddy Kenzo abikolera ddala nga bwe mbyagala. Masavu njagala ewulire hatumale tweyongere video eno mpanvu muko naye gy'obudde.
I had been trying to work with the Baby Cool. Is Baby Cool here? Is he here? Because he was trying to set up a recording center somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. But when Kenzo came, we had no problem helping them, getting a common facility. What's the problem? How much money did we spend? Was it how much? How many billion? Kenzo? Zalimeka?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Excellency. It was 5 billion, sir.
Yeah. So we said, okay, no problem, 5 billion one time. So we may not be able to do everything, but now we can do something now. And those facilities you are talking about, a common studio where you can all go and record, and we pay a small fee, affordably. I'm told you are being exploited by middlemen, charging you exorbitantly. Then the zonal centers, there's no problem. We can support you. Even if we say 10 billion, 20 billion, that's not a problem at all. Because especially if it is one time, if it is not annual, it's very easy. You can start and you just start and then you go. Now I'm very happy.
I want to warn you, Baby Cool, you are very useless and you don't have common sense and you are very mad and you don't have mind. Why are you beating my brother like a dog? You beat my brother zigzagger like a dog. You give order to Abamsa to beat my brother zigzagger MC from Arua. You stop this nonsense of you. Today I just hear that issue today, but I just come and warning you. You have to be careful and you have to be careful. Okay, Baby Cool. Okay, I want to tell you. Next time you will come to Arua. When you come to us now, you will see what happened. You are very useless and you don't have mind. If you come to Arua, we are going to beat you even the way you beat our brother Zigzagger. Also, you are going to use a same way to beat you, like you beat Zigzagger. You are very useless. I want to tell you, you are very useless. You cannot do anything about me. Even don't joke with the raw people. You are going to beat you when you have bodyguard, you have security. You are going to beat you. If you want, if you don't want, you are going to beat you. Don't joke with the Western. Stop this nonsense of yours in that side of Kampala. Baby Cool, you are very useless musician. You pretend like you're artist, you're a musician. This musician is for you. I want to tell you, for you and your family. Baby Cool, you are very useless. I thought that you have common sense, but I know you don't have common sense now. Baby Cool, you are very mad. You are mad. I want this message to reach up to you, Baby Cool. Even you cannot do anything about me. Me, I'm called bad man. You cannot. Don't fear you. Me myself, I don't fear you. You see this knuckle? I'll punch your mouth for you see. You beat Zigzagger for what? You're very useless, you're very corrupt. You beat Zigzagger because Zigzagger they work and you want to eat their money. Now, I want to tell you, Zigzagger is a ringer, is from Yumbe. That's why you cannot eat his money. He's not a bad body. That's why he's going near you. That why you eat my money. You give your order to Abamsat.